Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal account. First, it is important to understand one thing. You cannot move money directly from a Visa gift card into your PayPal balance. However, you can still use the card by linking it as a payment method. Start by activating your Visa gift card. You can usually do this by visiting the website printed on the back of the card. Next, open PayPal on your browser or mobile app and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, go to the Wallet section. This is where you manage your payment methods. Inside Wallet, click on Link a Card or Bank. After that, click on Link a debit or credit card. Now enter your Visa gift card details. Type in the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of the card. Double-check everything before continuing. Next, confirm to add the card. PayPal may place a small temporary charge, usually around $1, to verify the card. This charge will be returned shortly. After the card is linked, you can use it when making payments. At checkout, simply select your Visa gift card as the payment method. Thanks for watching.